Hi friends, welcome to our channel English Easy Learn. This is your Manjula. We all know that we live on earth. Yes, earth. And that's the most wonderful precious gift for us. And on this earth, we all have a beautiful greenery environment, isn't it? And we all know that we need food to live and grow. Actually, you also know that food helps in growth and repairing our body parts. And do you know how plants get food? Plants are the only living things who prepare their own food with the help of a substance that is present in them called chlorophyll. But human beings and animals don't have this capability. It is only the plants who are not dependent on any other living creatures for their food. So, today I am going to share about green plants, the food producers, in this video. And friends, do you know what are the parts of a plant? A plant has various different parts such as roots, stem, leaves, flower and fruit. Let me show you a live example of parts of the plant. Friends, now I'll show you the parts of a plant of a mango tree. Come, let's see it. See, can you see this part? This part is known to be the roots. This is the roots of the mango tree. And this is the bark. If it is a small plant, we say it as stem. But this is a big tree, so we call it as bark. And can you see this? They are the branches. They are the branches. And these are the leaves. These are the leaves. And can you see here? This is the fruit. But here it is a raw mango. And there are only few mangoes which are ripened. And other all raw mangoes. So, friends, now you saw the parts of a plant. So, now I am going to show you a example and a part of a drumstick tree. Okay, let's see the part of a drumstick tree. And as I told you, see, this is the flower of a drumstick. Okay, this white is the flower of a drumstick and these are the leaves of the drumstick. And can you see the drumsticks hanging over here on the branches? These are the drumstick leaf and drumstick flower and drumstick that is hanging on the drumstick tree. And this is the bark of a drumstick tree. This is a very old tree and which is grown very big. So this is the bark of the drumstick tree and the roots are beneath the earth. The roots are very under the earth and so I think it is being covered by the soil. So the roots could not be seen properly. But these are the parts of a plant. Leaves. Leaves is most important to all the plants, isn't it? And do you know the food is prepared by the leaf and it is transported to all other parts of the plant. And these leaves breathe through a small openings called stomata. These leaves breathe through a small opening called stomata. This is a mango leaf. I have a mango leaf here. And if you observe this leaf very carefully, especially under the lens, that is under the microscope, you can see a small tiny openings. And that tiny openings will help the leaves to breathe. And the other function of the leaf is the leaf prepares the food with the help of sunlight, water, mineral salts. And that is why the leaves is known as the food factory of the plant. The leaf is known as the food factory of the plant because the leaf helps in preparing the food with a substance called chlorophyll. And that chlorophyll is the green pigment which is being present in the leaf. Children, when we are hungry, mom gets us so many dishes, isn't it? And how does mom prepare food? She adds rice, she adds pulses, dal, and she flavors it with salt, turmeric powder, chili powder and rasam powder or sambar powder, whatever it is. She adds so many spices to that. So she mixes everything and our dish is ready. But have you ever thought, how does a plant prepares food? Plant prepares its own food with the help of water from the roots. We pour water to the roots of the plant, and this roots absorbs the water and it passes throughout all other parts of the plant through stem, branches and leaves. And the plant absorbs water, sunlight, carbon dioxide and mineral salts. With the help of these things, the plant prepares food. This process of preparing food with the help of water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, it is known as photosynthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means together. Putting all together and preparing the food by the plants is known as photosynthesis. Children, hope this video was interesting. So children, I will catch you with various other interesting topic in science in my next video. In case if you like this video, please give a comment and like it. If you are watching it for the first time, please subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.